Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can wear outfit and dress to impress summer request. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I recommend you to go to the free play mode and then you can dress up as creative as you can. Then save your outfit in the dressing room here. You can click on this icon, then select this plus button to add new outfit, and you can add the outfit name here and click on save. And I have already saved this outfit, Zoe outfit from the K-pop Demon Hunter movie. And then I'm going to use this outfit in the Dress to Impress summer quest. Okay, let's move to the quest. I'm going to teleport to the quest here. Okay, wait guys. Okay guys, and I have already teleported to the Dress to Impress summer quest. And if you want to wear your outfit, just click on this icon and select the outfit that you want to wear. And then you can join the Dress to Impress summer quest with your best outfit. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!